Which topic is most searched on YouTube? People can't get enough of YouTube. The most popular topic on the site is still people searching for videos about themselves. People are constantly searching for new content on YouTube, and the site's most popular topic is still people searching for videos. There are a variety of reasons why people are so drawn to YouTube, but one of the main reasons is that it is a great way to connect with others. People can share their thoughts and feelings about various topics, and they can also watch videos that are entertaining or informative. YouTube has become an immensely popular platform for users to share and watch videos. In 2017, the topic that was most searched on YouTube was how to. This trend appears to be continuing and right now, with how to being the most searched topic on YouTube once again. Other popular topics include kids videos, vlogs, and fails. When it comes to popular topics on video sharing websites, kids videos, vlogs, and fails always rank high. Each engine in those words has its own specific reasons for being so popular. Kids videos are generally enjoyable to watch and can teach young viewers new things. Vlogs have become incredibly popular because they offer an unfiltered look into the lives of the people making them. Fails are just funny to watch, and there's always something new to see given the never-ending stream of fail compilations available online. When it comes to online video, there's no doubt that YouTube is king. With over 1 billion active users and billions of hours of footage uploaded every day, it's no wonder that people are looking for the most popular videos on YouTube. One way to find out what the most popular videos on YouTube are is to look at the trending section. This is a list of the videos that are currently getting the most views on the platform. Another way to find out what's popular is to look at the most viewed videos of all time. This list includes some of the most watched clips ever uploaded to YouTube, and it's constantly updated as new videos surpass old ones in popularity. Some of the most popular topics on YouTube include music, gaming, comedy, and animals. YouTube is a great source of information, entertainment, and education. But which topic is the most popular on YouTube? In this video, we take a look at the top search topics on YouTube. We also take a look at some of the most popular videos in these categories. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video to find out more.